Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I have a special and guys, it's another beautiful day which God have granted us, and I thank you so much for clicking my videos. So, guys, I wanna take you outside. So, what's going on, man? It's so hot in Africa here, especially in my village. But it's a privilege, guys, to be here. So, on today's videos, it's a kind of a different videos. So, no one is here, and I'm going to cook rice and Irish potatoes for my family. So that's the video for my video of today. And when my family came from church, they will eat. So no one is here, and I want to take care of the cow at the same time when I'm cooking in the kitchen. So let's go. So first thing, guys, this is how my house looks like. You have the mat, you have the table, you have couches, ceiling board. We have already painted the wall. Man, it's by God's grace. So when my family came from church, I want to see my mom's reaction. You know, they would come with moods of hungry. Oh man, something crazy here. You know, before I get out, I need to make my call. You know, so right now, let me take you outside. So I don't want to, there is no issues like to close it here. So to close it here because I'm alone and I need the fresh air. Go inside the house. So guys, let me take you outside and see how the day go. Guys, I'm not feel that much okay, but for my premiere again, you'll see. So this is how a small kitchen looks like, and this is where I'm preparing the rice and Irish potatoes. You will see. Anyway, guys, welcome on today's vlog. I'm outside. Wow. So this is a special day which God have granted us to see the beautiful day, man, like this. Wow. I think this week, guys, I want to start working step by step on this borehole. Right now, it's not that much okay. You see, this is a zinc or iron sheet. Wow, this is how it looks like, man. You see, this is a post, you know, this is a post. So for the security, this borehole, it's under risk. So I cut the trees there. I keep it here, like, you know. So I'm trying to buy some bricks, 400 of them. And then after that, I buy D12, 2 pieces, D10, 3 pieces, and then timber and also dough. So, and 3 bags of cement. We have already have the balanced. Wow, oh my God, no sand. But if I have one pickup for the sand, I can manage to finish these things here. Man, let me know in the comment section, what do you think? That's how I cover. Wow. And guys, remember we have the kids here who playing with my sister. We have my neighbors who came here. Also we have my sister. So I don't want maybe some bad issue to happen. And I'm sure that energy far away, go away. Wow. This tree is supposed to be cut down, so I need to create this place in future to be look good here. Wow. So that's my toilet. Although yesterday I purchased everything, like the big container for carrying water and some detergent in my bathroom and toilet. So officially we start using the private toilet or the sitting one. So let me show you. Wow, in fact, my mama locked the bathroom. This is the toilet for my mama. So let me show you guys. Wow. Anyway, guys, I haven't introduced you guys. So right now, officially, we use these things. Officially, you know. So We bought the air cleaner, not toilet cleaner, right here. Ever Fresh, and it's lemon, 500 ml net weight. You see even the toilet right there. This one here. Wow. Wow, guys, wow. Also, we have Stella Air Fresh. It's orange also with natural oil. So we have this one, this small brush for cleaning here, you know. And then we have this bigger bucket right here, you can see, and then also a jug for fetching water. For example, if somebody use this toilet, so actually we use only 2 people or 1 people. So this one, it can't serve more than 2, like let me say more than 10 people. Only 2, 1. That's period. But we have the public one. So this one I tried to give my mama, but my mama, she doesn't want this because she was new on these things. And man, it is what it is. So if somebody use this toilet, you can fetch water using this jug. You pour, you see, again, wow, you pour like that. Wow. That being said, guys, imagine to make work easier, we want to have the borehole or the well, guys. So sorry for that to say borehole. We have the well around our home here. On that, a beautiful yard on the other side. And then my work is to fetch water there and put inside here. So, and then we cover. And then we cover. Oh my God, just a minute. You see? So guys, let me know whether it's advisable when somebody use the toilet like this one, they must close, or we leave it the way it is. Let me know, guys. You know, even me, I'm so new on these things, but I wanna know. So today I don't want to talk too much this toilet, but on today's videos is to cook. I'm just alone here, so I need to close it here, you know, sometime for the security, you know. This toilet, it has a lot of work here and there. So this is the bathroom here. Oh my God, this is the bathroom. You know, guys, thank you so much for your full support, guys. I really appreciate it. Without you, I couldn't manage to build a toilet like this in my village, you know. But it's by God's grace. It's by God's grace. Me, I can't complain anymore. It's by God. Look how it looks like. It's pure tile, man. I'm telling you. From here up to here, it's one tile. You see? It's pure tile, man. Pure tile, no paint. Even here, it's pure tiles. You know the reason why I put the tiles inside only this part is to avoid maybe painting every day. And outside I put like craft cast, man. Wow. Welcome to our bathroom, and this is my new bathroom right now here. So we have the basin inside here. If somebody fetch water from outside, there's no need to come with the basin. Only carry water from the bucket, you pour here. I realized when somebody came from outside with the basin from the well there, on the surface here, let me show you guys. On the surface here, when you place the basin on the ground, we come with maybe some small sands, some small particles of the sand here, and then we left inside here. So for meanwhile, by the time being, the tiles will start cracking. So I'm trying to avoid those kind of scenario. And also, we have the soap here. We have this stuff for scratching body. You have the small brush right here for washing legs. You know, even this stuff here. You know. But guys, sorry, no shower inside here. So maybe in future, when I get electricity around my home, to put shower is not a big deal. It's to remove only these lines here, like up maybe down, and then we put tiles. No, we put like plumbing or shower, or whether it can fit here. We wanna put. It depends, you know. But right now, this one, me, I'm finished. Maybe guys, when I build my mom's house, I'll put a hot shower and cold shower inside the house for my mama. So, but this one here, it could be the part of the public toilet. When I have my visitor around, they can use this one. Also, I will never left my visitor behind. Maybe it depends which year they can visit me. You know, I want to do quick and fast. By watching my video, guys, I'm always build 2 rooms for the visitor who, when maybe somebody came to Africa, especially to visit my village in Kenya, they will have a free accommodation of the room. You know, I don't like when my visitor visited my home, no room to sleep, maybe going to border town, book the room. I'll do like a modern one, you know. Look, these are rough cast. And I will forget this one. Never, no more painting here, you know. So for my good subscriber, that is it. So let's go this way. Look how it looks like at the back. So that being said, I'm going to do what, guys? When I finish my mom's house, I'll build the visitors room, and every room will have everything inside. We have beds, we have TV, we have couches, we have kitchen. And maybe when we came to my village to pay a visitor, maybe if you wanna try to cook maybe African food, you wanna cook by yourself, if he or she willing to cook maybe outside to try our culture, you can cook. But I must build my visitor rooms, you know. Anytime I have no clue. Anytime, maybe it depends, maybe next year, you know. And me, I wanna say every day, the house that receive visitor every day is the house have blessing, the house living in peace, have love, man. So I'm just grinding so hard. Like this month, you see, guys, I dig the borehole. Let's see next month what's going on. Wow, this is what I'm calling home, at this beautiful village. So I'm just alone at my home, and my cameraman will be my cousin. So although she didn't like to feature on camera, so she will help me to hold while chopping the Irish potatoes and lightening the fire, prepare the rice. Wow, I love to pass on this place. It's because of the beauty, you know. And I'm showing you guys from here where I'm standing up to other side. We have the side, so let me walk that way. This land, it's under sale, but it's so expensive because of trees. $8,000, you know, $8,000, not 800, $8,000. That's 1.3 million to sell this land. I think for my expectation, it's a high price because of trees and everything, and it's 1 hectare. You know, if one willing to have a land in Africa, my WhatsApp number on description below. You can contact me and ask me in a good way. But I don't like for the haters, they try to trap me with maybe small money. I don't like. If you're willing, and you came in a good intention, just call me or just comment on my premiere. If you are willing, you need this land here, me, I'm just show you the way it is. I was just walking from other side, going this way. Oh guys, I'm in Haria because I want to cook the food right now for my family. Up this side here, you see this side, so from here to other side, this land it's under sale. From here to other side, it's another guy, you know. Wow, quick and fast, quick and fast, quick and fast. Let's see for the second, for the first people who need this land. And guys, sorry. On my yesterday I made a video, but it's a kind of a different videos ever, you know. So if you're watching this video for the first time, just pray for us, send for us some condolence, guys. My brother Dagi lost his grandpa on yesterday. I made a video and I went to be there. Everybody, it's on a sad mode, I'm telling you guys. Even me on yesterday, I didn't have a lot of energy like to make a video, but I'm a man, I'm trying my best. So even on today, I didn't feel like too much okay, you know. I'm feeling like somehow headache. So but for my premiere again, we'll get this video. So let's go. Wow, imagine guys, I'm walking on this land. It's under sale. Imagine from other side where I was coming from. These trees, when you buy this land, it belongs to you. No one will take these trees. No one. But all in well, let's go. Let's go. If maybe you wanna open the project here, it's okay. You know, me no idea on this. No idea on this. We're heading straight. Imagine. Man is everything. Man is everything. If you have money, you wanna have this land from other side, coming up to that way. And you find it's in a good way on the road. Wow. You have the cow making noise. So this one, you're going to Nyabohans. That one to Sirai. So I'll take you around, heading home. Imagine if you bought a land, you can fence by using a barbed wire and also the post. Look, this is the beauty of my village, man. Guys, me, I want to say thank you so much for the love and support. I do appreciate, and I'm heading that way to check my mom's cow, because at the same time I'm not no one is around here. I need to cook the food for my family. I need to check the cow. So for meanwhile, when they come, and on today it's on Sunday, it's not a normal day, so they will maybe somehow late came from the church, because my mama told me we went for the seminar. I don't know, but it's a kind of a bit, they will come here at a late time. So I need to cook the food quick and fast, check the cow, man. Wow, through you guys I managed to dig a well, and through you guys by watching my videos, let's see what's next month. And I think on tomorrow's videos I will update you what is going on. Maybe people will ask me, hello baby, what's up, you know. So tomorrow we will analyze whether you hate me or not. Tomorrow I wanna say what it's happened, you know. I was keep my silence, but I see it's too much, you know, it's too much. So I will let you by tomorrow, you know what is going on. So let's go that way to check the cow, and after that I'm going to chop the Irish potatoes. Wow, man, this I'm calling home. I'm trying to change my dad's home Right now, no more dads. But I have my beloved mom. She was working so hard, and I love the way she was working so hard. So that's the reason why I'm going harder through my dreams. In future, I could change my family. It's by God's grace. Me, I'm just believing God, you know. But most of the people in my village here try to give me some fake name. I'm Illuminati, I'm a devil worshiper. I don't care. As long as I believe in God, one day my dream will become to reality, because they charge me wrong because I bought materials. My family have a nice toilet. My brother and sister went to school. They're living in good life. You know, me, these things, it's by God's grace, you know. I doesn't have those powers to say, okay, my family living better life. No. I know where I came from. That's the reason why when I get money, I spend in terms of material. When I get money, I buy food for my family. And you guys will just be there watching my videos, supporting me. I can't hide anymore. You're supporting me a lot. Right, left, center. You buy my, you support for my family in terms of food, clothes. Thank you so much for those people made it possible. Thank you so much. And for those people watching my videos, thank you a million. Thank you so much, you know. So I came to check the cow, just okay. And in the morning, my brother give them the remaining stuff from the banana. So maybe for meanwhile, we wanna give them water, you know. So I must check them before I leave here. I got to peel or to chop Irish potatoes. So it's just okay, you know, to avoid maybe going to our neighbors like over there, they plant maize. So we don't like issues here and there. It's just okay. Look at this. Coco. Buyore. This one, it's just okay. Say hello. You want to say hello? Wow. Man, I just look the cow before I leave. You know? Look. It's grazing here. Wow. We have another one here. Wow. Say hello, beautiful baby. Wagwan. Wow. Thank you so much, guys. I see the time is running like crazy. I need to prepare lunch. Oh my God. This is a crazy situation. Maybe it will be instant premiere, because by the time I was preparing rice and everything, it's so late. So guys, thank you so much. We shall meet while I'm peeling or chopping the Irish potatoes, guys. So stay tuned. That is the cow going that way. So actually, guys, today no one is here and I need to chop these Irish potatoes. Actually, guys, I want to prepare lunch for my family. I'm telling you, today it's on Sunday, so nobody's here. There's my cousin rotate the cows. See, guys, how cows behave. Those African cows, like mother, like look, look at the same, guys. Wow. So guys, anyway, it's so hot here, but you know what, guys, I need to make the lunch, like to prepare lunch for my family. You know, when they came from church, they found the food on the table. So I have already fetched water for maybe after that. This for cow, this one here, and this one is for maybe if one need to bathe, they can fetch water from here direct. I've already fetched water. So guys, on today's videos, I'm going to prepare a special meal. That's rice and Irish potatoes. So I want to show you step by step. After these videos, let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about on today's videos. At the same time, these skills I learned from my mama. Actually, she was the one who taught me, you're supposed to do this and this, you're supposed to know how to cook, you know. So that being said, right now no one is here, and you know, I'm remaining here alone. So probably on today's videos I'm trying the best. I'm not feeling that much okay, so even you heard my voice, but I'm trying to make this video, guys. Please, in case you meet my videos, subscribe, share. So I want to like this. Wow. So guys, maybe looking where there's light. Sit here. That's much money. Oh guys, okay, here is much light. Okay guys, let me sit down like this. Don't mind guys, the song. Don't mind. I'm not feeling okay. That's my shirt. I'm wearing the short. So I'll chop here. Man, let's try, man. Afu bihange bisare ke. Let's try, man. We got this Irish potato, you know. There's a day I buy the dumpling, not dumpling, bumpling, you know, the small banana. Wow. Thank you so much for my Jamaican people for keep advising me. Yeah, the small banana we call sweets, but in Jamaica it's known as bumpling. Bumpling. But today, the meal for today is rice and Irish potato. So when my family came from church, I would serve them. You know, I know they will come with a hungry mood. Yeah. So guys, I'm cutting into 2 pieces, you know. Wow. Guys, look what Hello Baby is doing here. In local. No problem, guys. But as long as some fluid vibe, that is it. If you're watching this video for the first time, guys, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and also let me know what do you think about. But on my yesterday video, guys, it's a kind of a different videos ever, you know. So I'm trying to run with the time. When my family meets me on the way, they will find food on the table. So they will come in a hungry mood. Say, okay, my brother, why don't cook for us food? But I'm not a chief chef, guys. I'm trying, man. You know, I'm trying my best. Yeah, man. I'm telling you the Irish potato here. When you eat with rice, man, something else. You people, you try to advise me, hello baby, don't eat plain rice. So now, eat rice with Irish potato. You know. What a man can do, also a woman can do. And what a woman can do, also a man can do. Let's flow the vibe to the end. What I take it indeed. Okay? After this, guys, I'm going to light the fire. And as you know, I bought the rice in Tanzania, grade 1. So there's no need maybe to remove the shaft. They have already removed the shaft. Your work is to like scoop the rice, you cook. You wash them and then you cook. You know, that's grade 1. But when it's grade 2, it must maybe give me a hectic time. So the only issues that I have here is to peel the Irish potatoes and then light the fire. You know, man, let me tell you, I hate the smoke. You know, me for sure I hate the smoke, but because at the same time I'm hungry, let me cook, man. How am I going to do? But it is what it is. Peter made a BK. Let me cook, guys, you know. Let me cook, man. Got 15 of. So guys, we keep rolling these videos to the end. Look at this, guys. It's so big, man. So big. But guys, to be honest, I don't want to show you too much peeling of Irish potatoes. You know, I have the rest of the video which is coming. But probably this, guys, no machine for peeling Irish potato. You know, I use it random. Oh my god, I'm new. Hello baby, I'm new on this. Struggling. I had the kids crying like my cousin because it's hungry, maybe, or it's lunchtime, need something to put on stomach. But guys, sorry for that. Let me see my mom's reaction when she found me cooking or preparing the rice. Let me see the reaction of my African mom. Wow. Hey guys, look at this. Show them. It's so big, man. And then I cut them here. Look. Oh my god. Wow. So big. So big, man. We have another one here. Show them here. Wow, guys. Look, man. It's so big. And then, guys, don't worry. I'll wash them later. Look. Oh, man. So big. Alright, bring the camera. Wow, guys. So I want to continue from here. Look, guys, don't mind. That's my shot. And then I'll wash this one here. Wow, guys. Anyway, guys, after that, I'll take you to a small kitchen right there. This is my house. Like, this is a local house where the life starts from. And then between here, over here, there's a small kitchen. So I'm going to light the fire inside there. And guys, please, if you're joining this on my videos, please subscribe, share. And today, guys, my voice goes down. I don't know why, you know, maybe it's because of the summer season. So that being said, right now it's summer season here, and most of the time maybe people are being captured, or like airborne disease, people sneezing, you know. It's summer season right now. Wow, even my lips dry up. Anyway, guys, so stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video. But at the same time, my mama tied the cow on the other side. Let's go and show you guys. Look at this project here. I'm telling you guys, money is everything. When you have money, things run in smooth way, you know. So guys, stay tuned. So right now we shall meet on the next video where I'm heading to the kitchen, lighting the fire, and then you will see my progress, how I cook the rice from there, guys. Wow. Alright, guys, I finished chopping these Irish potatoes, and then I wash them while I'm cooking. But right now you see the first progress. So this is the remaining for the Irish potatoes, and I see it's too much. That one left there, I'll keep it. And then Maybe next time I will buy for $1 or $2. I will add them. But let's flow, guys. This is my bike right now here, you know. That's why I pack them. That's my baby. Guys, honestly I can't wait to see my mom's reaction, you know. So I think on Sunday they went for seminar. So when it's a normal Sunday like this, my mama around 11 would be here. But because maybe I think they went for the seminar, so they became here so late. Hey, crazy. Oh my god. What's up? Go and lay the egg. So this one, that been said earlier, it's remaining here. Maybe next time let me keep this as a stock, you know. Look at this. I will buy for $1. Like this one I bought for all of them, it's for $3. And then next time, maybe that being said earlier, I'll add for $3. Man, I'm telling you, it's so hot here. And maybe when I scared with the smoke inside the kitchen, at the same time it's so hot. You can't tell even on the cloud, guys. Look, it's sunny. So that's the reason why I pack my baby on the shade here. Wow, guys, I hope you're ready for this. So I need to throw this one. So our rubbish. Karamba utaya chisiri. Yani chinkucha hicho ni wonte anti-road. Wow. So guys, let me wear my shoes. You know, sometimes it's crazy. And then I throw this one here. You know. We didn't have the place where you can throw. But normally come here. Throw there. And guys, that being said, guys, this tree is supposed to be cut all down because the roots are not good. So that's the reason why my mama sold these trees to one of our neighbors who want to build a muddy house. So that being said earlier, we're supposed to cut them down, you know. So that's the reason why you had maybe laying down. So I want to create this our yard to be look so beautiful, man, so beautiful. After maybe I finish to build my mom's dream house, I'll come and work on the yard, you know, like to remove that sand there, to come back to my mom's house on the ground. We have another one there. Maybe less than 3 years, this place could be so beautiful, man. And then I create maybe the small gazebo for chilling point, you know, things like that. See how my toilet is shining from other side. Wow. So it's time to go and light the fire. Wow. Oh my god. So this one here I put inside here, you know. Hey guys, I'm struggling guys, but because I feel so hungry, so that's the reason why I ran to the kitchen. Wow. So let this one place it here. Wow, this is how my home looks like. This is my corner. Go there. Wow. Guys, to be honest, my dog doesn't like some hands passing. You know, it starts making noise. And then I came to pick this one here. Man, I'm so hungry like a goat. But let me cook, man. Let me cook. You know? And then guys, you're my good part of my family. I didn't feel too much okay, but for my premiere again, you'll get this video. It's depend the time. It's so late. Imagine from morning up to now, guys. I was feeling so headache, you know, headache. and right now it's 1 p.m. my local time here. So imagine that the time where like I'm going to prepare the lunch. You know, I'm supposed to do these things early in the morning, but because I was feeling headache, it's so heavy, guys. So guys, let me pause my video here because these things is so heavy. I can't film while holding like this. It's maybe like pa and then fall down. So we shall meet in the kitchen lighting the fire right now, guys. After a few minutes you'll see me inside there. Oh guys, so right now I'm in kitchen. I want to light fire here. So wow, you'll see me lighting the fire. Oh my god, life in my countryside. Imagine. Oh, but it is what it is. Let's slow it right. Fine, we'll sing this. Let's flow it right to the end. Wow, like that. There's a matchbox right here, right now. I use this box to light the fire. This is a matchbox, man. Bigger screen. Wow. See? Oh my god. Oh guys, don't turn this around, man. So guys, that's the fire right there. It's coming like I'm turning this around, man. Wow. So guys, let me know in the comment section. Am I doing the right thing? You know? But I was sitting with my mama in the kitchen for several times. Don't turn this around, man. That's what it's. Wow. So that's the fire right there. It's coming in good shape. Sometimes, guys, sorry, I speak vernacular language on my video, but I mean, you know. So this is water right here, and I've already organized things in order. I'm telling you guys, let me read. Wow, this is water right here for the rice. Oh, go. Hey. Hello, baby, on the control. Hey. Guys, when you come to Africa, especially in my village, this is the kind of life that maybe you'll see by yourself. Look. Wow, I think so. That's my cousin. I don't want maybe to show him on my videos. He don't like camera. Maybe people will ask me, hello baby, what's up, who talking with you with the camera? That's my cousin, man. So I'm trying to look for the cover lid I can cover. If I didn't find them, in fact, I love the way my mama, she was washing utensil right here, you know. Guys, me, I didn't find anything. Okay, they're inside here. I'm to cover water right now, like that way. Our small pot right here. We have the firewood here, and right now, that being said, it's summer season, so most of the firewood, man, it's dry. You can cut today, tomorrow, previous day, you use the firewood, you know. Look how the fire is coming, like, yo, Joe, what's up, my people? Wow. So this is the cooking oil right here, but guys, don't mind, we have the cooking oil inside my mom's house, so they're using this container like to put little, you know. Wow, don't mind guys, we have cooking oil inside my mom's house. Sometimes, you know me, I do videos surprising my family. Wow, let me put more firewood. If you know the tingle, let's flow the vibe to the end. Wow. Man. So guys, just a minute, the rice is coming. You see me washing rice. These are salt right now here. I'm going to add two, and then these are cooking oil. These are cooking oil right now here. I'm telling you, guys, that's cooking oil I was adding on water. Wow. And then this are rice. You know, this are rice, guys. Let me add water. The shaft to become on top. You know, I'm telling you guys, rice from Tanzania, it's clean. You see? And then see guys, that's the struggle of a man when I'm remaining home alone. So first thing, let me stir here. Isijikashikia chini, you know. Oh my God. Okay. Struggle to be a man. You know guys, woo, it's smoke inside, but man, it is what it is. It's so hot outside, and in the kitchen you have a lot of smoke, guys. You know, I'm struggling, so stay tuned. Well guys, this is my key, and then let me rush to the local shop I'm gonna buy the salt because it's not enough, you know. I left my rice to be cooked, so after a few minutes I'll be here. So probably, that being said, you know, I'm alone, so I reduced the fire as the rice to be cooked slowly. So I'm rushing to buy the salt, and we came back. You know? Wow. I'm struggling, guys. Woo. Wow. Oh my God. I left home, guys, so I'm heading this way. Wow. That's the bull cow. One army. Guys, I'm heading to Nyabohanse to buy the salt. Imagine, it's crazy, you know. But all in well, everything's good. So guys, oh my God, just a minute. I want to, let me put it here. Guys, just a minute. Radio. I'm trying to put place my camera here. Oh guys, don't worry. What's going on? Let me tighten my shirt. Because I don't like intention of people, you know. Yeah, here it's okay. Heading this way to see where the motorbike is coming from. Hey. Bali nguvu. People on motorbike. Heading that way, guys. Imagine. I'm going to buy the salt. Only salt, man. Without salt, we can't have the taste of the food. But I have the little I put on rice. Remaining Irish potatoes. So let's go. Look at the back. Boom. Wow. It's summer season. You see? Smell the dust? Man, I'm heading to the market. Oh my God. Slowly. Just within here. Oh. Let's see how things go. People building here. Look at that house, man. Oh, something else. Wow. Let me try here, guys. Odi, kuna ile chumvi kubwa. Sawa. Acha nitafute hiyo kubwa. Kuna beba watu mura. Good. Nani ai? Fresh. Niko. Ishuguri. There is no salt here. Wow. We have the church right now here. Imagine. I need a bigger salt. Because I don't want to buy the small one. And then maybe today or tomorrow we finish up everything. Let's try the bigger one. Let's try the bigger one. Guys, sorry for that. I'm telling you, I'm not feeling that much okay. Chacha. Yeah. Guys, I met my friend on the way. I must greet them. So let's go. This is a rental house here at a cheaper price. What? Wow. A man can try. A man can try, you know. A man can try.
Iko na sensa ambayo ina sense chochote kinachopita mbele yake. Yani we detected lines of security.
Guys, let me park it here. Oh, that's more bridge here. Yes. No, about a camera. Soft life. I'm good.
Soft
hello. Hello. What was it called?
Hi, our good people. I hope you are doing good. This is Stema001. Welcome to our baby YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing, like, comment, share this video. Tell a friend to come to his channel and support him, bro.
So, you don't need face, guys. Subscribe.
Yeah.
Drinking soda.
We are here with my lovely wife. We are
and a channel is India.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Lucy, but my YouTube channel, Lucy Africa.
Yeah, so we are here, guys, after church. Then it is too hot. We are having some drinks here, some soda. Yeah. That's why we are here, actually chilling. And
even today is so hot, man. You need to drink cold drink.
Yeah, so I have to be here with my wife. Yeah.
Okay.
Always.
Me, I came to buy salt here. Na tunogotondo wanene kwa Yesu na mali. Yaka ni kadogo. Niangalizie. I need a bigger one. This one is small. Try it.
You want to use it today?
Mara chumbera sombra bono. Tangu uche. Oh guys, I'm waiting the salt.
For the long.
Yes, for the long. Some maybe 8 months or 6 months.
Without buying another salt.
Yes. This one is something small, bro. Hii. Na unajua zingine unachota na kia ng'ombe. Copyright hana mbebe. So guys, I bought the salt here, the bigger one. It's for $1. This one it lasts almost 1 year without buying salt. Mom, I think you guys will hang it on. So guys, imagine this salt. Let's go. It's a crazy day by itself. Running from my home, looking for the salt. Imagine within here. Hey, fresh mura. Well, guys, I'm back home right now. I keep it there. I put the salt into the house, so I wanna show you. Right now, my brother is giving the cow water. Let me show you. Let me show you. Whoa. And then we cook the Irish potato. Hey. Hey. Come you say hello. You give cow water? Wow. Hey. Wow. Guy. Mana kita macam gana wisap. Mana kita macam wisap. You see, guys, the cow is giving water right here. I'm telling you. Tangan. Imagine, guys. So that being said, in the morning when I was making my videos, I must fetch water, and then they were being given cow. The rest would use for maybe if someone needed to bathe, they can bathe. Funga hapo, ninamulika huyu. Waya kimuganda kamba namulika kimu. Kana tabiheke. Kuchande ke huru. Kitayami. Ya? Isso. Ai que vamos comer a mancha, caramba. Terus sirro. You take to the car. Okay. See, guys, so let me cook. Okay, let me show you the rice, and then I want to cook Irish potatoes right now. Wow. So this is the salt which I bought. Man, I'm telling you, it's so big. Oh my god, I left my rice. It's okay right now, guys. Wow. So guys, I need to wash the knife. And then this onion. Oh my god. I chop it inside here. Excuse me. You need to say excuse me, man. Excuse me. Ano kinakat it? Wow. A man can try. Tamara kibitunga ko mara kibin. Yan yun. A man can try. I think this one here, it has some error. Oh my god. Guys, fire is up. I was chopping tomato onions here. But, oh my god. Ooh. My finger is almost to burn, man. Oh my god. Look. Something else. I need to put this is the cooking oil right here, man. You know? I'm a man cooking in the kitchen. Boy. I don't want to add too much cooking oil, but a little. That's enough, man. Wow. People are coming from lunch. I don't know what I have to. Dear man. Right now I'm cooking. First is to cook the onions. When it's ready, I put tomatoes. Look the fire, man. It's crazy, man. Oh, I need to reduce fire. Oh my god. Fire. I think I'm still here. Tatora. Mungu machero achohe. I'm putting it off. Wow. Guys, it's crazy. It's a lot of fire here. Look the head right there. It's incubating the eggs. Wow. That's my mama. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, umetoka kanisani. They came from church. Me today I'm cooking, mama. Thank you. Guys, I left the onions to be cooked and tomatoes. So today I'm cooking rice and potatoes. Yeah, hey. My mama is hungry. I'm telling you that we came with another mood, but it's almost to be done. I see my sister. Yabani. Mama tamogiri beato pino. Mo vango se sia mogi komanche. Yobe. Tabi vango se ne getamba si mogi he. Yeah. What's up?
Uy, mo ka si komarango gana to no mo ko sa de kirita ka. Kanda masakan.
Mas tá kami say hello. Kana tu kaya mguta magoro. Baba.
Pamanyanga ansa ga ikai turu muchango kanisa.
Mas tá kami say hello. Wiki nungorago. Tabe kibi say hello. You good? Metoka kanisani. Yeah, guys, they came from church. So you make sure you wash your shoes. You see, right now it's dust. Wow, guys. So I'm going to the kitchen. I want to show you the progress. So stay tuned. You see the tomato? There's a fire in there. So this is the Irish potatoes. Satora. Wow. Boom. Look. Well, you shall see on the next video while my family are on the table eating the food, guys. So, wow. Anyway, guys, it's lunchtime right here. So my brother was the one who served. Oh guys, this Irish potatoes right here. Okay. Wow. You good?
Yeah.
Tora mbi soup. Tora mbi soup kimo. That's soup. Nigirasi. Leboni. Njo. Oh guys, because my sister umekura uongeze tamwengeda kidogo. Guys, my sister need the food right now there. Hai, mweke viazi. Hey. Sister to the world. Eh? Umechosha? You go and enjoy. Oh no. So bring here. Where is yours? Go. There you go now. That's yours?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going like to celebrate with our family outside there. Got a very good day. This is the food for everybody here. Is enjoying. Wow, look. That karambe kore. They're eating. Wow. You see guys. So from the church. Well guys, that's the kind of how I serve the family. You see my brother is waiting for no spoon. He's going to look for the spoon later. Mama, chakula na tasted. How the food taste? Nzuri. You say so yummy. Say so yummy. So yummy.
So yummy.
So yummy.
So yummy.
Oh, delicious. So yummy, bro. So yummy. Yeah, wagwan man. Me, I teach the family. I teach the family how to eat and how maybe the food have been prepared, man, and everything. Whoa. Hey. I'm telling you guys, from the church, they're coming with another modes, like modes for hungry. Right now, it's... Alright guys, this is my food right now here. And this is my milk tea. So, let's see how our day go, man. So let me eat the food and then we shall continue from there, guys. Let me pray for my food and then we shall proceed. Amen. So, guys, let me enjoy the food right now here. I'm telling you. The food tastes so yummy. Through the curtains of Hello Baby, food tastes so yummy. This is the cup of milk tea. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate, man. So let me eat the food and then we shall talk from there. Sorry, it's a mixture of t-shirt, but when it's so hot in the kitchen, I throw another shot. But probably we shall meet on the next video, guys. Maybe at the end of the video. Wow. So guys, the food was so yummy, and I'm using my phone to shoot these videos, but my battery of camera went off, so I need to end my video by saying thank you so much. May God bless you. We shall meet on the next video, guys. I want to say bye-bye.